Hello viewers, and thank you for subscribing and liking this channel. Today, I know it's been a sad day in Kenya, and we want to first of all pass our message of condolence to those who lost their loved ones in the terrorist attack that took place in Dusit Hotel this week. And we are with you in prayer. Pole sana, ugua pole. In Luo we say, one kodu ekuyo. All right? Thank you. So today we want to review what we've been talking about for the last 2 weeks. My name is Agina. What's your name?
My name is Nikki.
And you've been seeing a lot of Nikki in the videos because I really want this to be something like laying foundation for her to build confidence in things like producing videos, and maybe in future she will take over this channel and you never know, do something great with it. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll do a review of what we've learned so far for the 2 weeks, and maybe answer some questions and comments. We are hoping that someone will come live. Right now we are at 0-0, so we are hoping that in the somehow along the way someone will go live. But then again, the thing is we still have very few subscribers, and it's okay. We value the few that we have, and we want to just learn with the ones that we have. So the ones who will come later, you're welcome. And we started humbly, so it's good enough. We didn't do a review last week, and one of the reasons is that because we did not really feel that we'd done much. We'd only produced one video, and that video was what was it? This one.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So we did the video on
We did a video of chores around the house.
yeah, walking around the house. You can take a look at the video and see what happened. And what I want to see is I want to see whether Nikki can now read Luo words. So she'll just read what she has, and then I'll show it to you. Pick one, pick and read. Pick and just read. Like this.
Adwa madho chai.
So that's Adwa Madho Chai. And the good thing is, you should also learn to pronounce these words, because you might think you know until you start talking, and then you realize that, oh, I don't know anything about it.
Aolo chai e okombe.
Aolo chai e okombe.
Amedo sukari kod majan.
Amedo sukari kod majan.
Arudo chai.
Arudo chai. That's correct.
Amado chai.
Amado chai.
Chai mit. Erokamano.
Now, you must say chai meat, not chai meat. Say chai meat.
Chai mit.
Chai meat.
Chai mit.
Correct. So chai meat means the tea is sweet. So chai meat. Erokamano. Erokamano. Say erokamano.
Erokamano.
So erokamano is one of the most widely used words, and it means thank you. So anytime you do something, someone does something that you feel you need to thank them, you just say erokamano. So that would be thank you. Good. So that shows that at least she's learning. And that was the process of the tea video. If you did not see the tea video, just go into the videos. Check the one that talks about drinking tea. Someone said I should have written taking tea. I will correct that. And then look at that and fill the review. Now the other thing is we walked around the house and we placed some things on strategic places and helped. Nikki was helping me to do this video. And today I want to just enrich it by maybe giving sentences once she gives us, where is it now? Once she gives us, for example, this stuff.
Tedo, cook.
No. Say tedo.
Tedo.
Yes, tedo.
Tedo.
Not tedo.
Tedo.
Tedo, correct.
Tedo. Tedo, cook. Atedo, chiemo. Itedo, otedo.
Atedo chiemo.
Atedo, chiemo.
Atedo chiemo.
Atedo, chiemo.
Not chiemo.
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 Yes. Atedo chiemo.
Atedo, chiemo.
Yeah, atedo chiemo. Now, atedo chiemo means I am cooking. Okay?
Yes.
Itedo chiemo means you are cooking. And otedo chiemo means he is cooking or she is cooking. So that is what this e, and o mean. So atedo, from my perspective, itedo, and from our perspective, otedo. So atedo chiemo. And everything in Luo, when it's you start with a. A. Yes. When it's Luo, you just start with a. So let's go through this. So this is what? Can you read?
We
Okay.
wiping table. Yeyo mesa.
That's not yeyo.
Yueyo mesa.
Yueyo.
Yueyo mesa.
Yes, yueyo mesa. So, see, like this is yueyo mesa. Now, if I want to say I am wiping the table, I just introduce an a here. So I say I yueyo mesa.
Yueyo mesa.
And then you would say, if I'm saying that you are wiping the table, I would say yueyo mesa.
Yueyo mesa.
And then for you, when we are talking to him or her, we would say oyueyo mesa.
Oyueyo mesa.
Yes. So ayueyo mesa, iyueyo mesa,
Oyueyo mesa.
Okay? That's wiping the table. Okay? Then this one.
Lao, cloth. Leonie.
Now,
clothes.
that is law, but you say lao. Lao. Now, ruako. Where is it? Oh, go get the the black pen
Okay.
from that thing.
Okay.
So, we want to look at lao, a cloth. Maybe you want to just bring the whole thing, the entire thing. We want to look at when you have clothes and paper. Where's paper? Quickly. So, clothes would be arwako lao, orwako lao, irwako lao. Let me just write it down so that you can see the spelling. Say that. Say arwako lao.
Arwako lao.
Arwako
Lao.
lao.
Irwako lao.
Irwako lao.
Orwako lao.
And then orwako. So you can see the I, the A, the I, and the O have just remained where they were. Sorry, the camera shifted. See that? Arwako lao, the act of putting on clothes is arwako. So arwako lao, irwako lao, orwako lao. See? So that is about clothes. We move on to this. So that is what?
Pass. Iron box.
Pass. Yes, correct. Just say again.
Pass.
Pass. Yes. So goyo pass is the act of ironing clothes. Okay. So where are the papers? So seriously, Nikki. Sorry guys. Arwako, agoyo pass. So goyo pass is agoyo pass. Igoyo. And ogoyo. Can you say agoyo, igoyo, ogoyo?
Agoyo, igoyo, ogoyo.
So agoyo is I'm ironing clothes. Igoyo is you are ironing clothes, and ogoyo is he or she is ironing clothes. Okay. And then sende. Sende.
Sende.
Sende.
Sende.
Sende.
Sende.
No. Sende.
Sende.
De.
De.
Sende.
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 Sende. So aluoko. Sende. Luoko. You remember luoko is washing. So
yeah.
Aluoko. Sende. Iluoko. Sende. Oluoko. Sende. So aluoko.
Sende.
Oluoko. Iluoko. Aluoko. Oluoko. Iluoko. Like that. Aluoko. Oluoko. Iluoko. Let's say it together.
Aluoko. Oluoko. Iluoko.
Correct. So that means I'm washing. So aluoko sende, iluoko sende, and oluoko sende. Some dialects say saende, aluoko sende, but we'll get into that later. That is the utensils, and then we move on to the last one here, which is brooms. Broom is what?
UH.
See that? Broom is UH. So when you have a broom, you say a-u-h-o.
A-U-H-O.
Yes, a-u-h-o. A-u-h-o. E-u-h-o.
E-U-H-O.
And O-u-h-o.
O-U-H-O.
So the A, E, and O, A-u-h-o, E-u-h-o, O-u-h-o. So that means I'm sweeping, you're sweeping, she, he is sweeping. Okay. Now the last one here, it says adwa yueyo ot. So that means I want to sweep the house. Ot is house. Okay. Adwa yueyo ot. So just say adwa yueyo ot.
Adwa yueyo ot.
Correct. So you can see viewers that her accent is coming slowly, and we're happy about that. And now, to wind up, I would like to give you a review of what's coming, what we've organized. We've been meaning to do a video about color. We have not done it yet because of a few issues with school and time and things like that. And the ideas have still not been fully developed. So we're developing the ideas, and then we'll do the video. And you can subscribe so that once, turn on your notification. So once it's out, you can very quickly, get a notification. Okay. So somewhere here, I think it's here. Is it here? Click here. No,
No,
is it?
it's up
Is it
there.
this? No,
It's
is
up,
it here?
It's up there.
Here?
It's up there.
No. What here? Or here? Here.
It's there.
Okay, one of these places. Yes, subscribe and turn on notifications so that when the colors video come out, and we can give you the thing. And then another thing is you can give us ideas on what you'd like to see in the colors video, so that we do a video that is tailor-made for you, so that you can learn better with it. Okay. Now the other video is family. We want to talk about me, you, mom, dad, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, grandma, granddad, niece, nephew. I think we could just quickly talk about this, and then we'll do a video about it. Okay.
Yes.
So me, Ann. Say
An.
Ann.
An.
A-N. Ann.
An.
So me is Ann. Okay. now that we have a few minutes, I think we'll do just a family video, and we'll do a better video when we'll organize everything. So me is an, me, an, like that. An. You is in.
In.
And now him or her is an.
N.
Like that. An. So an, in, an. Okay.
Yes.
And then mom, your mom, we call your mom mama. We call them mama. Mom is mama. This is, I think, a lot of people call their mom mama. And dad, we call baba. Baba. But these have actually been, how do you call it? The English thing is, it have been corrupted, because the initial way of calling mama was menwa. Say menwa. Menwa. And dad was wonwa. So menwa and wonwa. Menwa is our mom, and wonwa is our dad. So wonwa, I'm your wonu. You know? Okay? Brother is owadwa. Say owadwa. Owadwa. Yes. Owadwa is brother. Owadwa. And nyaminwa. So what would nyaminwa be?
Sister.
Yes. Owadwa. See that? Owadwa and nyaminwa. So this is our brother and this is our sister. So Owadwa and nyaminwa. Now, if you go to uncle is called nera. So nera is my uncle. Now nera is my uncle. Nerwa is our uncle. Nerwa. Like that. Nera and nerwa. Okay? Say nerwa. Nera. Yes. And then aunt is waya. Say waya. Waya. Yes, waya is aunt. So waya. And then waiwa. Say waiwa. So waiwa. Waya is aunt and waiwa is our aunt. So if you're two people, we say she's our aunt. That means waiwa. But if you're alone, you say waya. Yes. Grandma is Dana. Say Dana. Dana. Yeah, you pronounce the A more A. Dana. Yes, Dana. And then grandfather is Kwara.
I have heard in my mom's hometown that I call her mom Danny.
Yes, Danny. So Danny is an old person. But now if you want to say my, you see now you want to own her, like she is your mother's mother or your father's mother. You say Dana. Yes, but otherwise any grandma and any grandpa would be, any grandma would be Danny. Danny is a grandma. Any, like if you see any old person and you think they are a grandmother, you call them Danny. Okay? And this niece and nephew, I think those will leave for the video of the future. And then man and woman. Man is boy and girl. Did we say boy and girl?
No.
Now, boy and girl. Boy is woi and girl is nyako. So boy is woi, and girl is nyako. See that? So woi, say woi.
Woi.
Nyako.
Nyako.
Yeah. Woi and nyako. So just quickly talk about this. You have to tell me what it is. Just say this means what in English. You just talk. It's okay.
Dana means grandmother. Kwara means grandfather. Waya means aunt.
Yes.
Waiwa means our aunt. Nera means Nera means our uncle.
My uncle.
My uncle.
Yes.
Nerwa means our uncle. Owadwa means my niece.
Brother.
My brother. Nyaminwa means my sister. Menwa means my mother.
Yes. And your father would be?
Wonwa.
Wonwa, correct. And that's it? Oh, there's one more here.
Woi means boy. And nyako means girl.
Good. So that's a short sneak of family and how to call them. So far, I think we're doing well. And next week, we can't promise that we'll release 2 or 3 videos, but perhaps we'll release 1 video. And then we'll continue with what we've been doing. And please give us feedback on what you want so that we can be able to learn together. It's better that way, okay? So can you wind up?
Yep. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Make sure you turn on your notification bell and you also subscribe. Follow us. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter as Luo English Dictionary. And that's for today. Oriti.
Oriti.
Goodbye.